Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting immediate access to the account and settings. You need permissions and security in place. Open YouTube and tap your profile, then Settings. This is where updates live. Once done, confirm two-factor authentication and a recovery email so changes aren't lost if you get locked out. Make sure your device has a stable connection and enough storage. This prevents interrupted downloads. Now you're set to move into channel and feature updates without wasting time on trivial setup. You'll now update the channel's core features inside YouTube Studio because visibility and monetization depend on accurate info. Go to Customization to refresh your banner, profile image, and channel description. This improves clicks and branding. Then adjust links and channel tags to match current content strategy so recommendations align. Once done, check monetization and features to enable memberships or premieres if you meet criteria. Doing this unlocks revenue options and advanced uploads for better viewer engagement. Finish by publishing all edits and testing them on both desktop and mobile since discrepancies can appear between platforms. You should clear cache and re-login to ensure your account sees the latest settings, then verify analytics reflect updates. This confirms indexing and recommendations updated. If things go wrong, first check permissions and two-factor authentication, then confirm YouTube's service status. Sometimes delays are server-side. If persistent, roll back one change at a time to isolate the problem and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.